Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Logitech Bluetooth Multi-Device Keyboard K480, and it is compatible with Android, Windows and iOS as well as Mac. So take a look at the box packaging first, and this is how the box looks like. And on the bottom of the box you've got the information, the box packaging content. It has got two AAA size batteries that are pre-installed and 1 year limited warranty, and all the regular information. You can pause and read it always. So this is how the box looks like from all the angles, and on the back side you have some information over here regarding what all features that this keyboard has. So it is a keyboard for your computer that works with your tablet as well as your smartphone, and it has got this nice toggle switch with which you can connect 3 devices which are Bluetooth enabled, and it is compatible with Windows, Mac and Android and iOS. And it says that you can type in comfort, and this is the minimum requirement of software that you will need. So this was about the box packaging, and now let's take a look at the pricing. And the MRP of this product is 2795, but you can get it for a lot less money on online sites. I'll leave a direct link to this product in the description. So let's open the packaging and let's check out the keyboard. So this is the keyboard here. Let's keep it aside for a moment, and we have just a single document over here, and it is regarding the warranty statement. So let's take this keyboard out, and you've got this paper over here, so nothing on it, and you've got these instructions how to connect it to your device, and it is fairly easy. So we'll check out that later. This is the power on off key. This is the battery compartment, two AAA size batteries. So let's power it on. You can see a green LED, and there are these two switches over here with which you can connect it to Android or iOS platform. Android and Windows have got the same switch, so you see the blue LED blinking. So Bluetooth had turned on the keyboard, and now let's turn on the Bluetooth on this device. I've got the Meizu M1 Note here. You get this password over here which you have to type on your keyboard, and press enter on the keyboard. So when you press enter, your keyboard gets automatically paired with your device. So as you can see, you have the Logitech keyboard here selected in the input method, and then just start typing. As you can see, you can type pretty fast and fairly easy and comfortable to type as compared to typing directly on the on-screen keyboard. So let's connect another device. We have the Asus Zenfone 5 here. As you can see, I've connected it, and I can operate each and every function on my device via the buttons on the keyboard, so no need to touch the device. And let's try to type something on this device, and as you can see, I can type in comfort, and both these devices are connected, but as I've selected switch number 2, so I'm able to type on the Asus Zenfone, and the Meizu remains silent. So let's try to connect another device here. I've got the Redmi series Redmi Note 3G, and it is also compatible with this keyboard, no issues as of now, and I can easily toggle between these devices. I've switched on I've toggled the switch to switch number 2 and position number 2, and I can type easily on the Asus Zenfone 5 now. So this is very comfortable to use actually, and the keyboard buttons are giving really nice feedback. So really nice stuff. As you can see, it is not that much optimized for the Flame OS. Actually, it is not an issue with this keyboard but with the Flame OS, but still I can use it for typing on Flame OS, so not an issue. I can take screenshots from the button on the keyboard, and I can do each and every functions on these devices. You can connect it to your laptop, your PC, your iOS, Mac, everything. So really nice feature and really nice device to have, really cool stuff. So if you love typing on your portable devices such as your smartphone or your tablet, this is a must-have keyboard. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care.